do the intro in the video.
Yeah, I'll
Started.
Yeah.
And it was not even started.
I'm watching that one.
Guess what? We're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to make microwave eggs.
How do you microwave an egg?
Okay, it sounds disgusting. Oh, and if you're wondering why they're brown, as y'all know, I think I have chickens. I have 4 chickens. Okay, I think it is. So this is a chicken egg. We do not have regular eggs. We only have chicken eggs. And guys, I don't live on a farm. Just telling you. Bristol, what are you doing? Oh, it's a toy. I'm like, no, my other dogs are in.
So what you're gonna need is a plate,
Egg.
egg,
It does not have to be a chicken egg, by the way. It can
butter,
be. And a knife.
A knife.
It does not have to be a chicken egg. It can be a regular egg. Oh, and guys, I don't live in a farm. Okay, I do live in a house.
Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna butter the plate.
Yes. So
I'm gonna do this first.
while he's doing that, I'm gonna come over there and tell y'all what to do. So he's gonna be butter. So what you're gonna do is first, if you have all your ingredients, you will, you're gonna take your plate and you're gonna take the knife and then butter the plate. And when you're done buttering the plate, you're gonna crack the egg on the plate. Try not to mutilate it, like I did. I had to throw away that egg. I had to throw away that egg because for some reason.
You mutilated me. Okay, I'm gonna butter your plate.
Okay. He's gonna butter the plate, and I really should have put my hair in the plate, but okay.
Hey, Bristol.
And we're doing like Bristol. Dude, it's like having a fight with a toy. Anyway, so after you crack the egg, you are going to put it in the microwave for 50 seconds. 50 seconds. I'm going to put that on the screen once we get to that step.
Okay, so
We're done buttering.
So we're gonna crack the egg.
We're going to take the egg. Oh, that was what is that? No, you can have it.
So we change the egg.
I'll be right back. I have to change my egg because my brother apparently forgot to wash the egg. That little me.
Okay. So yeah, you're just gonna take the egg and then crack it on your computer screen. Bang! And then you're gonna open it and put it on your computer.
Hold on,
You do not put it on your computer screen. Hey, Bristol. Okay. So you're gonna take
hold
your
on.
egg.
All done. I just needed to wash the egg.
Take your. You don't have a paper towel right there.
I don't really care. You know.
Okay. So you're gonna take your egg and you're gonna crack it on.
You're gonna crack. Wait. Just hold on. Or not.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you killed it. You just. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this better. You're gonna have your egg white. This one's just okay.
Oh, look at those 6 skills.
You do not butter this one.
It's gonna be enough.
Oh, perfect. It's perfect. On the ground.
Perfectly on the ground.
So-
We are new to cracking eggs.
No, I'm not. I've been cracking eggs since I was 5. Literally.
I remember I threw an egg on the ground when I was 5.
God, that's nice. So I'm gonna come show y'all my plate.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
This is how your egg possibly should look.
Shake.
Your egg should look.
Wobble, wobble, wobble. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
That's how your egg should look. We just literally made one like a minute ago or 2 minutes ago. Because we were hungry and we had like nothing. My egg is spreading.
It's okay.
I know. Okay, then you're gonna wipe off the knife and poke a hole in your egg.
Yeah, you're gonna poke the hole in the yellow.
Yeah, in the yolk.
Yellow.
In the yolk.
Yellow.
He doesn't know what yolk is.
The yolk. Oh, I know.
So you're gonna take your knife and do that. If your egg spreads, you will do a couple more, several times. This might seem like a stupid tutorial, but you know. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go ahead and microwave mine.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh. Go get your chair.
So I'll just go that. So short. Okay, so if your microwave is like mine, you're gonna press go timer, and you're gonna press 5, 0, start. I'm gonna go get a chair. I'll be right back.
Put it on for 50 seconds.
Yeah, I popped it up on the screen
Yeah.
just now.
I'm sorry, guys. I haven't been making videos. Lightly.
I just made one from the pig. I mentioned to y'all why I wasn't making videos.
You're gonna hear a popping sound in the microwave.
It sounds like you're cooking popcorn.
Yeah.
You're not. You're just not. Bristol, someone wants to see you. Bristol. You would like to see Briss? I'm gonna get my egg out. This is Bristol. Y'all saw. Oh, okay. See you back. Not really. So if your egg is super hot, you will take some oven mitts. I got like so. Oh my gosh! She just got up on a bar stool. Bristol, no, my oven mitt! No! Bristol, give me back! Bristol, Dave, go help me! Go get the oven mitt while I get this. I want to get my egg. Get it. Would you stop touching my egg? Is that the oven mitt?
It's gone. Yeah.
So he's gonna go get the oven mitt.
I'll be right back.
Bristol, you meanie. Right now. Got the oven mitt. Oh, wow. Hand it. And I am wearing pants, guys.
What?
What? I don't know. Her toy.
No, she's getting one of your pencils.
Can you get it, please? Okay, so you mixed up on plastic.
Okay, so we're gonna put my egg in.
Show you my egg. Show you my. Ow! It hurts. Okay, so this is what your egg should look like. This is what your egg should look like. I'm not gonna hold it up like that anymore before it falls. So,
Can you hand me my egg?
yeah. I need blasters to make eggs. Okay. So while he's making his egg, I'm gonna get our forks. I got our forks. You can use metal if you want to burn your tongue, because this turns out very hot. I'm just gonna go over here with the egg. So, this is his fork. Eat one. Smooth the butter out the way. You notice everything is like organic stuff because eat non-organic stuff.
Eggshell.
Oh, I just heard a crack. Okay. Oh my.
No, that was.
Oh. Oh my. You stupid doggy. But yeah, cute. Okay. So once he gets his egg out, I'm gonna put the chair back. I will. So I'm gonna put the butter up. Does it butter rot? Butter something?
Does butter rot?
No, I don't think so. It does something. I mean, probably goes bad.
Hey, it's gonna look pretty disgusting.
But it's. I said it looked like sour cream ice cream. I snowball. Okay. So before we eat this, our beautifulness, best part about making it. Before we eat this, I'm gonna go put the share back, and you might need to cut. You might need to cut it a bit because and it is over easy, and I believe if you add milk to it, it can make a scrambled egg. But
Super delicious.
when it's, as you know, over easy.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Over easy usually has the yolk coming out of it. Oh my gosh, I did not realize.
Dang.
Added enough pepper. Oh, and guys, guess what? I'm going to Tennessee 2 times this year. I'm gonna go in June, which is not that far away.
I'm gonna be making vlogs when I'm in Disney World.
Yeah, I'm gonna make my Tennessee vlogs again. And I'm going to Tennessee 2 times, and y'all can see Elvis's house in my videos.
Not Elvis the pig.
No, the actual Elvis.
Okay, so yeah, guys.
Oh wait, no, we're not finished.
Yeah, this is the egg.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Super good.
And don't forget salt and pepper because that makes it good. Over Easy has the yolk coming out of it, but when you make these kind of eggs, it does not have the yolk come out of it, but it is still delicious. Sorry. Just like, it's actually very good. How you eat eggs? Ooh, that pepper is getting me.
Okay, so I'm gonna actually get some ketchup because I like ketchup.
I do not like ketchup, so you know.
Just like ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard.
I'm very picky. But you think I'm bad? There's someone that I know that hates, that only likes chicken, Cheetos, and popcorn.
Chicken and Cheetos.
No, not together. They only like chicken, they only like Cheetos, and they only like popcorn. What?
She goes to Santa. No, it's actually not where she goes. She goes St. Matthew.
So does he.
Nice to see the egg falling out of your mouth.
And so does he.
Yeah.
Here, Bristol, want to finish? Okay. Let's do some training with Bristol. Hey, Bristol, stand. Bristol, stand up. Okay. Bristol, sit. Oh, let me go get some train meat sheets instead of treats.
Y'all gonna be hearing y'all. Bristol's gonna be farting. Because eggs makes you fart.
Oh, gosh.
Don't
Okay, Bristol, you ready for a train meat treat? You've been good. Come on, Bristol. Stay right here. Don't sit yet. Wait until I say sit. These are not for humans. Okay. Wait, Bristol, stand. Bristol, stand. Bristol, sit. Good. Yeah.
That was super good.
Okay, stop. Okay.
Cream plate.
Exactly.
It's so yummy, my tummy. What the fuck? She's in the hole.
Sit, Bristol. Good girl. Yes, good girl.
Okay, so well, anyways, guys.
No, we're not. We're not ending it.
Oh yeah, you're just gonna eat yours. I wonder what these taste like.
Those are for dogs.
No, but I want to know what they taste like.
Okay, he's gonna eat a dog treat. The dog treat. Oh, you didn't want it.
Okay, sit, roll over, roll
She
over,
doesn't learn that. She's only learned sit.
jump, jump, jump. Lay down.
Let's watch Dave's attempt to get Bristol to sit. Say sit, Bristol. Bristol. Oh, wait. Stand up first. You have to stand up. Alright. Bristol, sit.
Sit.
Woo, yeah. You have to put it. Okay. Bristol, sit. She like.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, we're gonna head to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more eggy videos.
For no daily egg video. No, not egg.
That was really good.
Maybe we can do a tutorial on bacon. No. See you guys later. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. First